2014 Hyundai Accent. 2014 Hyundai Accent with the 1.6. In one of my previous videos, I replaced the brake light bulb in one of these vehicles, and I had a commenter ask me to show them how to replace the third brake light on the back hatch area. And I told them that whenever the vehicle came back in, I would make a video about it, and so here we are. To access the third brake light, which for those who are not aware is the top brake light right here, open up your trunk and you'll see three 10mm nuts. Go ahead and break those nuts loose. Go ahead and give them all a little bit of a push. Just help them on through. And for these studs sticking out, you don't need to get a hammer, but just something with a little bit of weight behind it. And just give those a little bit of a tap to push them through. And watching your cords, you can see right here are 4 bulbs for your third brake light. Now this hose right here is actually a water runoff, so you want to make sure that this doesn't fly back in here and escape. And you'll just need to reach back here and pull on these plastic red tabs while applying upwards. And you have access to your bulbs. Go ahead and replace all 4 of them at the same time is what I would recommend. But just wanted to make that quick video because I had a commenter on one of my previous videos asking for it. And so, just keeping my promise like I said I would. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.